Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show where we speak slowly and clearly so you can feel comfortable and relaxed while listening. I am Emily, and I am very happy to be here today because we are talking about something that touches our lives every single day.
Hello, friends. I am Paul, and I hope you are feeling calm and ready to listen, maybe sitting at home or walking outside with your phone in earphones. I feel good today because our topic is very modern, very real, and very useful for daily English.
Before we start the topic, Paul, let me ask you a simple question because real conversations often begin like this. How is your day going so far? And did technology help you this morning or make you a little angry?
That is a great question, Emily, because technology helped me and annoyed me at the same time, which happens very often in real life. My phone alarm helped me wake up, but my internet was slow, so I felt a little frustrated while checking messages.
I understand that feeling very well because technology is helpful, but sometimes it tests our patience. This is why today's topic feels so close to daily life and very easy to talk about.
Yes, today we are talking about modern technology in everyday life, which means the tools and machines we use every day to make life easier. We will speak slowly, use easy words, and explain new ideas naturally so you can enjoy learning.
When we say modern technology, we mean things like smartphones, computers, the internet, and smart machines at home. These things are now part of our daily routine, just like eating breakfast or going to work.
Before we continue, we want to say something friendly to you because your support helps this learning space grow. If you like listening to our calm English conversations, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English too.
Thank you so much for being part of our learning family, because learning together feels easier and more fun. Now let's talk about how modern technology appears in our everyday life from morning to night.
In the morning, the first piece of technology I use is my smartphone, which is a small computer we carry in our pocket. I use my phone to wake up with an alarm, check the time, and sometimes check messages from friends or family.
I also use my phone in the morning, and it helps me feel connected to the world. When I check the weather on my phone, I know what clothes to wear, and this saves time and effort.
The internet is another important part of modern technology, and the internet means a big network that connects people and information. I use the internet to read news, watch videos, and sometimes learn new things in the morning.
Yes, the internet is very powerful, but it can also take too much time if we are not careful. Sometimes I start watching one short video, and suddenly many minutes are gone, which feels a little funny and a little dangerous.
At home, we also use modern technology like electric kettles, washing machines, and microwaves. These machines help us save time, and save time means we can do things faster and easier.
I agree, because washing clothes by hand takes a lot of energy, but a washing machine does the hard work for us. Technology helps our body rest while the machine works.
Many homes now have smart TVs, and smart means the TV can connect to the internet. With a smart TV, I can watch movies, listen to music, or learn English from videos on a big screen.
I like smart TVs too, because they bring entertainment and learning into one place. Entertainment means things that make us happy and relaxed, like shows, movies, and music.
Computers and laptops are also part of modern technology in everyday life. I use my computer to work, write emails, and join online meetings, which means meetings on the internet.
Yes, online meetings became very common, and common means something many people do. Talking to people through a screen felt strange before, but now it feels normal.
Another important piece of technology is apps, and apps are small programs on our phone. I use apps for maps, shopping, banking, and even for ordering food at home.
Apps make life easier because you can do many things with just a few taps on the screen. Sometimes I joke that my phone knows my life better than I do.
Technology also helps us stay in touch with people, which means keep contact. With messages and video calls, I can talk to family and friends who live far away.
That is very true. And video calls help us see faces, not just hear voices. Seeing a smile on the screen can make us feel close, even when we are far.
Of course, technology is not perfect, and sometimes it stops working. When the internet is slow or the phone battery is low, we can feel stressed or angry.
Yes, low battery is a very modern problem, and everyone understands this feeling. It teaches us patience, even if we do not like the lesson.
Now we want to ask you a simple question to help you practice English in a real way. What piece of technology do you use the most every day, and how does it help you?
You can also tell us if technology ever makes your life difficult sometimes. Please write your answers in the comments, because sharing helps learning and confidence.
Before we finish, let's naturally repeat some important words so they stay in your mind. Technology, smartphone, internet, app, computer, and smart TV are very common daily words.
Words like online, message, video call, machine, and save time are also useful for everyday conversations. You can use these words to talk about your life in simple English.
You are doing a great job by listening and practicing, and you should feel proud of yourself. Learning English step by step is the best way to grow confidence.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today and learning in a relaxed way. Keep practicing a little every day. Enjoy using English, and remember that progress comes slowly but surely.
Take care, stay curious, and we will see you again very soon with another easy and friendly topic. Bye-bye, friends, and have a wonderful day.